In this video, I'm going to share with you some trading advice that I got from Oprah Winfrey. What I'm learning more and more along my trading journey is that solid advice can come from anywhere, and that the rules for success tend to overlap depending on if you are a famous actor or actress, or have a talk show, or if you are running a major hedge fund, or you're a sports player, or you are a musician, or whatever it is. The rules for success tend to be universal. So whether you're reading books from William O'Neill, from Van Tharp, from Stan Weinstein, or from any other of the successful traders that I tend to speak of, there's a lot of overlap. And more recently, I've been reading Top 10 Rules of Success from Evan Carmichael. I've been reading Tribe of Mentors from Tim Ferris. And there's even some solid trading advice in this book right here, Crushing It by Gary Vaynerchuk. And the one that I wanted to talk to you today is about Oprah. And that one comes right out of this book here, Top 10 Rules for Success by Evan Carmichael. Fantastic book. I highly recommend getting it and reading it. But the rule that Oprah has, that's one of the top 10 for her success, is running as hard as you can. And she says, don't waste your time in the race looking back to see where the other guy is or what the other guy is doing. It's not about the other guy. It's about what you can do. And I think that this is a very important mindset, especially when you are just starting out trading. To really, it's going to be important for no matter what stage you're in, but especially when you're first starting out right out of the gate, because we don't want to compare ourselves to somebody else that's further and further and further ahead, and then wondering, well, why aren't we getting those same kind of results? Their results took time to develop. So if you want to have William O'Neill level success, then it's going to take time to get there. He wasn't successful out of the gate. It took him many, many years to develop his system of trading. And just like everybody else that's found incredible success, there's no such thing as an overnight success. It's an overnight success that's 10, 15 years in the making. And they continuously practice their craft over and over and over again to get to where they are. So don't compare yourself where you are right now to where they are. Compare yourself, if you're going to compare yourself, to how they first started out, and then try to reverse engineer their path to success. Also, this is another major point too that I want to point out, that you don't want to compare yourself or watch what other people are doing. Like if people are shouting out ideas on Twitter, StockTwits, Facebook, or any kind of social media platform, take it all with a grain of salt too. I think that it's real easy, especially for when you're first starting out, to you have your own idea and you happen to see somebody else's opposing idea for your trade. Or you could even see somebody else that you look up to and see they're actually supporting your idea, and so you might start to feel more confident. Seeing other people's ideas, whether they make you more confident or whether they make you lose faith in your own idea, it's pivoting you away from your original stance, and it's giving you bias, whether that bias is positive or negative, and you may become overconfident or underconfident in your own position. What you really need to do is develop confidence in yourself and develop an awareness of how other things around you are going to influence your own opinion, and that's something that everybody needs to continuously reflect on and improve upon, and it's something that I too continuously reflect on and improve upon. And yes, I do catch myself being influenced both positively and negatively by other people, but how I'm able to catch that now from a few years ago or even just a couple of months ago is dramatically different today, because I've become more aware of how other things are, that I might be influenced more so by other people, and trying to step back and not make a sudden decision, and really just focusing on running my own race. So running your own race definitely works in marathons, it works in real life, and it certainly works in trading as well. So let me know what you thought about this. Let me know what you think about Oprah Winfrey's advice. How are you going to apply it? Leave it down in the comment section below. If you have any questions at all, leave that down in the comment section below, and I'll personally help you out. If you like this video, click that thumbs up button. That always helps us out a lot. And make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that way you get every single update. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Take care, and have a great day.